Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It's all about the new Dior Millefiori collection and it's so pretty. I have the new eyeshadow palette. I have two new lip products and a beautiful, beautiful lipstick cover. And in between the newness, I'm gonna pull together the rest of my face with some pink Dior products. We're going for a pink look today, and I think it came out okay. I think it came out okay. So if you want to see swatches and how this face came together, as well as what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before I jump in, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tea product of the day. I am rocking our Rosewood twist stretch headband. Rosewood I thought would fit the theme today perfectly. So I did say it's stretch, really nice amount of stretch, incredibly soft and comfortable fabric. This is a fairly new product for us, and so the feedback has been the same as what I'm saying. It's really, really comfortable, really, really nice on the skin, and it does come in lots of colors. So we will have something for whatever your taste is. It's made primarily of viscose. Viscose is wood pulp, so it just feels good, right? And one of the things I love about it is you can just play around with the twist. For me, I have found now with some time that I like it best in the middle. It just zhuzhes the face. It gives the face a different shape, and so I'm a fan of it in the middle, but you can change it to either side. It's up to you. There's a barely there seam in the back, so if you want to wear it completely with the seam in the front, it's completely up to you. You wear it where you feel most comfortable. Now, if you want to check out any of our twist stretch headbands, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. All right, so let's jump into this Millefiori collection from Dior. Did anyone else think like I did when you saw it that it looked very spring? I was like, this is looking very spring to me for this fall collection, but nonetheless, it looked very, very, very beautiful. Millefiori means wildflowers if you're not familiar, so that's why the wildflowers are across this collection. This is the 1947 eyeshadow palette. I'm excited to try it out. We've got some pinks and pink leaning, I think, colors here. I'm going to the rest of my face that I don't have on, primarily the cheeks, will be older pink Dior products. We're gonna keep it in the pink family today. So I'm excited. We're gonna start with the eyeshadow palette in just a second. I have the gorgeous 1947 lipstick, which has the Millefiori on it, the flowers on it, just beautiful, beautiful color. This is Rosewood. See, Rosewood, another shade of Rosewood. I have, for the first time, I've never tried a Dior Addict lip glow. So this will be my first one. Here's the packaging. Okay, this too is in 1947. We'll show that at the end, okay? We've got some stuff to get to. And then I couldn't resist getting this case. This is the beautiful limited edition case with the wildflowers on it. Now, the lipstick I have in here is old. I did not get the one from this collection because I thought it's the same sort of shade. It's gonna be overdoing it. I prefer to have the Rouge Dior lipstick instead of the Dior Addict lipstick. So that's what we went with. And I have a sample also of the Diorshow Pump and Volume Mascara, which I'm excited to try after I put the eyeshadow on. So that's what else I'll be reviewing today because I've never tried it before. So let's get to these swatches and then I'm gonna pull an eye look together. Okay, so here are the swatches. This is such a pale color, the shimmer one. I think I'm just gonna use it to accent, and I'll work primarily with the other four. But a very pretty colored palette. You can see the first two are very light, and then we've got some more, some richer colors there. So let's see what I can come up with. And here it is with the looking at the palette as well. finished look. I think that it's like a cranberry red. I thought it would be more potent, but blending it out, it didn't do as much as I thought it would, which is a good thing. That's a good thing. I didn't want a really potent, and then I did blend it out a little bit. So it's like a cranberry red with those pinks, I think go really well together. And the brown also goes really well with the cranberry red and the pink shades. I thought that they would maybe butt heads a bit, that red and that brown, but they didn't. I think everything worked out really well. And that shimmery shade, Brow Bone, Tear Ducts, and brought it up just a little bit. So just a little pizzazzy. I'm enjoying putting super light colors in on the first part of the inner part of my lids. I'm liking what it's doing for my eyes. I've done it a couple of times in the past and I really like how it looks. And in this palette, it's a super duper pale, peachy, almost like peachy tan color that's on my lid, the first part. So it just opens it up a bit more. In the end, I really like this finished look, and I didn't have this color story from Dior, so I'm happy with it. It'll come down to if this is a color story that interests you. And that mascara lengthened the hell out of my lashes, so I'm happy about that too. Let's get to these cheeks and then we'll try on the lip products. So I'm going with that Birds of a Feather blush. Do you remember this one? Really pretty design on it. This is $4.68. It's a shimmer blush. And I'm curious, is anybody eyeing the new Dior Cosmic holiday release? My discounter, the one that I tell you guys all the time that I get the discounts from, the listings are already up, the pictures are there. I just have to wait for it to be available. So I've decided, like, I'm not gonna rush to get this at full price because there's absolutely no need to. At the very least, I'll get it at 25% off. So I'm just gonna be patient and wait. There's definitely some things, and one of the eyeshadow palettes caught my eye, a blush caught my eye, nail polish this time for this Cosmic collection. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna get something from the Dior collection, or if you're interested in seeing me try out that collection, you can let me know that too. So we're keeping it, like I said, pink. This is a very pretty shimmer color, and I think I'm done with the blush. Put a little here. Okay, let's get some highlighter on. Okay, so not quite pink, but coral, okay? Coral Glow from Dior. Well, it's close enough, okay? It's close enough. I wanna know what holiday collection has your attention. Chanel's has my attention. Chanel always has my attention, even if I don't get anything. For whatever reason, this mirror is being awful, so I'll use a different one. So Chanel's holiday collection, Westman Atelier, absolutely has my attention. They do. What other holiday collections is calling you guys? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious what you guys have your eyes on. I can't think, those are the first two that jump out. Is there anything else? I'm not sure if there's anything else that's caught my eye. Westman and Chanel and Dior for now. The holiday skincare, the holiday collection from Pharmacy for their makeup melting balm is always exciting now that they're trying out different fruit scents and stuff. So that's something I want to get, the trio. But for now, I think that's it. Maybe I'll check out the Guerlain holiday eye palette just because it performs so beautifully. So beautifully. Okay, so we've got some there. But yeah, I'm curious what other people are looking at for the holidays. Because the holiday sets are coming out now, we'll definitely have spring before the end of the year. I think it's getting ridiculous how soon these collections are coming out. I think it's a bit much. All right, we've got our pink cheeks together. Let's try on some lip products. Okay, so first up we have the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. This is Dior Addict Lip Glow 1947. Why are there so many names? Can they just simplify these names. It's a bit much. Oh, and this nail polish, let me just tell you what this is, because this is Deborah Lippmann's Go Your Own Way. I just think that it's really, really pretty pearlescent. There's a nice shift in there. It fits the pink bill. I just really like them. And Deborah Lippmann is, if you're not familiar with her, these are clean nail polishes. So just a little pink shout out. But back to this lip glow. Too many names, okay? Just entirely too many names. Like I said, this is my first one I'm trying out. So a balm, so I know what to expect on my lips. Here it is, 1947, so we've got more of that pink, like I said, from this collection. And I'm expecting just a light, very light wash of color. Oh, it feels great on the lips. It's a nice, I love the consistency of this balm. Like, it's just perfect. Not too thick, not too thin. That mint kicking in, so you get that little light, light tingle. And I'm continuing to go because I didn't even expect this much color to show up. So I'm really excited about this. Very, very pretty color. This is very, very, very pretty on my lips. Did not expect it to be this, again, this pigmented. And the lip maximizers from Dior, I'm such a fan. So this might, but what have I been missing out on with this one? I've been missing out on this one. Thankfully, these are already at the discounter, so I can revisit and go back and get another shade to try out. Very beautiful rosy color, okay? Happy with this one. And yes, again, this is the new 1947 Miss Dior lip glow, Dior Addict lip glow. And just as a refresher, this beaut again with the flowers, the wildflowers all around it. This is 1947 Miss Dior Velvet. Thank you, Dior, for creating this velvet formula. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is absolutely stunning. And here is this Rosewood shade here, beautiful. And then this is the first one, the lip glow that I tried on. Woo! Let's get this on my lips. Can't wait. Y'all, I cannot say enough about this velvet formula. Creamy, pigmented, so lightweight, still feels like there's nothing on the lips. It's just so nice. I think this is my favorite Dior formula, this velvet. Just feels so good, but you get that like sort of matte finish, but creamy. Beautiful way to end the video. And the flowers are still protected, guys. The flowers are still protected. I didn't go so much. I didn't put too much on that the flowers started to disappear. I'm gonna be watching that, okay? So that's it for me. This is the finished look. Okay, so I achieved what I wanted to, a very pretty pink forward look. But as someone who's not really into pink, I really like the other shades in the eyeshadow palette that kind of just, you know, brought a little depth to the pink look. And even the cheeks don't feel overwhelming. The brown skin helps, it breaks it up. And the beautiful, this lip color is just so beautiful. Both lip colors are. Really a fan of everything that I got. Cannot wait to try out the holiday collection, which will be the next, when I do get it, that'll be the next Dior video I bring to you guys. So you have to let me know what you're thinking. Did you get anything from, oh, and that beautiful lipstick case. That's a stunner. You have to let me know if you got anything from this collection. Did you get this eyeshadow palette? Did you get any lip products? Let me know what you're thinking about it. And of course, don't forget to let me know if you're interested in the holiday palette. So as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and hit the notification bell. I really do appreciate it, and I always love your feedback. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to check out any of our twist stretch headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and all our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. And for our luxury lifestyle accessories, you can visit us at fraybybreezytee.com, where we have our leather bags, cashmere scarves, and more. Catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.